If you don't try.
Itchy, huh?
The lawyer told him,
She's so cute.
guys, they don't give up. They don't give up until they get the money. That's the lawyer
Okay,
told
so
him.
how come they haven't gotten richer?
It's a damn wonder. But I don't know. I'll tell you 2,000 because his is a little bit more tax than mine
Hey,
because his costs
stop.
more, but
Her little face. Look at her face. Oh.
that's what the lawyer said. He said, IRS is on your ass. He said, they won't stop until they get every water.
Yep.
He didn't pay him a dime. The lawyer, Ron called me, said, well, I charged for a little
She's
thing,
really
he said,
fluffy.
I just charged $30 an hour. Ron said, well, I'll pay you that, so he went up there.
That would be pretty gross to be the police officer that had to like.
Yes. Yes. What would you like?
She's like, oh, you want to put your butt?